Hello students, today we are going to start discussions on branch accounts, specifically dependent branch. So let me explain the meaning of branch accounts. Assume that we are going to start a business throughout the world. So for this we have one office situated somewhere in the world, and we need to establish our business unit in different parts of the world. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಆಫೀಸಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್. The main business office is called as a head office, and the rest of the business units are called as branch office. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಮೇ ಬಿ ವಿತಿನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೈನ್ head office of Karnataka Bank situated in Bangalore, and the branches all over Karnataka, or we can consider SBI Bank, which is having head office at Delhi, and other branches are situated entire throughout the India. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ here transaction between head office and the branch office. So consider this as a branch office, and we have one more called head office. So here ಈ ಎರಡು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೀತವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ದ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಮೇ ಬಿ 80,000 ವರ್ತ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿರುವಂಥ ಗೂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫೀಸ್. ಈ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿರುವಂಥ ಕ್ಯಾಶನ್ನು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ business transaction in between the head office and the branch office. So here are branch accounting. So when various divisions of the business located in different places, it's called the branch office. Main place of the business is called as the head office, and the subsidiary unit is called as a branch office. So we are going to learn the accounting treatments in between the head office and the branch office. So here we have types of branch accounts. Majorly there are two types of branch accounts. One is dependent branch and another one is independent branch. So we have one more thing, foreign branch accounts. So as far as this, our syllabus is concerned, so we need to learn the problems under dependent and independent branch. We need to study the theory parts of foreign branch accounts. So let me start with the dependent branch. So branches depend on head office for all the aspects like purchases. Remember, it's like a minor son in the house. So for every aspect it depends upon the head office. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ನ ಮೇಲೆಯೇ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಈ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಈ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಏನು ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಿರ್ತದೆ, ಈ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಚ್ಗಳೇನಿರ್ತವೆ ಇವೇ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡಿಂದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇವರು ಏನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗಳು ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಗೂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್. Branches will not at all or not complete maintain its own books of accounts. So branch will not maintain any books of accounts, any accounting entries. So here head office will maintain the books of accounts even for the branch. They are not allowed to purchase from outside suppliers. They need to sell the goods only whatever the goods sent by the head office. They are just distribution outlets, will sell the goods supplied by the head office. Goods are supplied at cost price, sometimes at invoice price. So here we need to highlight cost price and invoice price. Usually head office cost price alliye goods ana ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತದೆ, sometimes invoice price ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. So remember, invoice price means cost plus ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಜನರಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತದೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಗೂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಗೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದರೆ that we are going to call it as invoice price. Of course, we need to study these concepts in detail little later. Cash received duly remitted to head office. All expenses of regular nature will be paid by head office, and some petty expenses will be paid by manager, and head office will reimburse all such petty expenses to manager. Usually ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸೇ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ. ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕೂಡ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ಸಿನ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್, ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ independent branch. Independent branch, they can purchase from the outsiders. They will maintain their own books of accounts, but head office will maintain the books of accounts for dependent branch. ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ, for everything it depends upon the head office. So in case of accounting system, we have majorly two categories, debtor system and stock and debtor system. As the name indicate, here we are going to prepare only one ledger account, that is branch account. In rare circumstances, we are going to prepare debtors account as well. But here we are going to prepare stock account and debtors account, of course some supporting ledger account. And invoice price method. So of course here the goods can be sent in cost price or invoice price. So there are separate adjustments and noteve. But let us start with the debtor system. So here we are going to prepare only one ledger account, branch account, and in some circumstances we are going to prepare memorandum debtors account. So let me start with the branch account specimen. So remember, the books of accounts are maintained by head office, so we are preparing branch account in the books of head office. So it's a simple branch account. So branch account is treated like a separate personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So here remember, like Kolar branch account, like Mangalore branch account, like Punjalakatte branch account, or like Barkur branch account. So we are preparing a separate personal account. So first transaction is recording for the opening balance. So two balance brought forward, opening balance of stock and opening balance of debtors. So here we are going to record the opening balances, if any kind of assets in the branch. The next one, to goods sent to branch account. So that means Barkur branch account we are debiting. So here the goods sent by the head office to branch. Branch is receiving the goods and head office is sending the goods. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. But here we are recording in the books of head office. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪುನಃ head office account ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So we have goods sent to branch account. Branch account debit, branch is receiving goods to head office account, but we are recording in the head office books, so here we are going to record it as goods sent to branch account. Again, to bank account for expenses. So here for expenses, for meeting expenses, head office sends some cash to branch. So branch is receiving cash and head office is giving cash. So here branch account debits to bank account. So here by bank account, the opposite transaction for cash sales and cash received from the debtors. So here branch will sell the goods and receive some cash. So ಈ cash proceedings ಗಳನ್ನ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ರೆಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು, ಕಳಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಸೊ ಆಗ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ branch is giving cash, so we are crediting branch account and debiting head office. So here by bank account for cash sales and cash collected out of credit sales, by goods sent to branch account. So here we can see to goods sent to branch account for goods sent by head office to branch. So it is for goods returned to head office. In any case, if branch returns some goods to head office, so we are passing the opposite entry. And finally, we need to record the final or closing balance of stock, debtors, assets, petty cash or any kind of assets in a branch. So if we recorded all these 6 entries, the difference will be the branch profit or branch loss. So this branch profit should be transferred to general profit and loss account. So this is a simple specimen of branch account you need to remember. So hope you understood the branch account. And the second one, memorandum debtors account. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು memorandum debtors account ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, of course it depends upon the problem. So in any case, either it may missing credit sales or cash received from the debtors or closing balance of debtors. ಈ ಇಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಮೆಮೊರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ನಾವು ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, debit entries which increases the debtors, credit entries which decreases the debtors. For example, credit sales which increases the debtors, or cash received from the debtors, cash collections ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ debtors decrease ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಮೆಮೊರಾಂಡಮ್ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ to find out the missing figure. So of course it depends upon the problem. If it requires, then only prepare memorandum debtors account. Otherwise we are going to prepare only one ledger account called branch account. So let us sum up today's class. So we learned branch account meaning, types of branch account. Hope you remember there are 2 major types, dependent and independent branches. Of course we have one more category called foreign branch. Accounting treatment, there are 2 major methods, debtor system, debtors and stock system. Of course we have one more major adjustment, invoice method. So hope you understood the debtor system. In debtor system we have seen the branch account specimen as well as memorandum debtors account specimen. So hope you understood today's class. Thank you for watching. Take care and happy learning.